So guys, got an itinerary lined up for us and everything. Yeah. So far she's doing a
we have her not guilt. Shut up.
she's doing an alright job, you know.
We have about 8 hours to go till we land. Till we get to Portland, but we just had breakfast.
I'll leave it at that.
Dude, get on the camera.
Who's here? I'm vlogging. Okay, well we're gonna head out already. So we made it to Portland.
Va a ser una izquierdita, mijo, ¿eh?
Sí.
City Center, esta es la salida, amigos. Aquí vamos, aquí vamos.
Is Portland?
Y te vas a salir
Is it?
en el 299,
Are you
mijo.
serious?
This?
Ey, tú sigue a mi compa.
What's Portland?
Yes, Carlos.
Sigue al City Center, mijo, ¿eh?
Fresno's bigger than this.
Right here, look. There's a city right here. This looks like San Diego, low-key. So we're just getting to our hotel check-in.
I feel like I'm in Fresno right now, honestly. You know what? I feel like Fresno. I feel like I never left California at all.
So we're gonna go ahead and do valet the cars, and then we're gonna go inside and have dinner. That is such a cute little maleta. Not even 30 minutes later, I think we're ready. 30 minutes later. This is fun.
How did I spend 45 minutes in that hotel, Debbie?
I don't know.
Doing absolutely nothing.
Family vacays. Going strong. Buenas noches. This is our home for the night.
I use the plug for my phone.
I called the other side so I can use the other side for my phone.
Oh,
I don't know.
I'm gonna sleep on this thing.
Oh, what's it?
I like to sleep by the window.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Ah!
There's actually a semi-view.
Of another building.
Everything's closed, so we had to do Uber. We got some pizza.
You know what? I'm gonna take one of those in the morning.
What else do they have? You know, it's been so perfect. A sopa de vaso too. It is now, what's today? Monday? Tuesday? We're waiting for the cars and we're gonna go get breakfast. I think everyone already got breakfast except us three. Thank you. Hey, everyone, we're checking out. Thank you. You too, thanks. So now we're walking to where the bus is picking us up for the tour. We got our tickets. We are on our way to the tour now. What's up, losers?
Sergio, sit over here.
Sergio, get closer. You're gonna do it. Wait, should I sit here with you?
A submarine.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's one of the oldest vertical lift bridges in the United States, built in 1911. It's been updated.
Like this I do.
And a little farther down in downtown Portland, the big pink building there is the U.S. Bank Tower. That's the tallest.
We're gonna be at the perfect angle. We're gonna be right up in those waterfalls in about 30 minutes.
So we can look through the trees.
So we're gonna climb the up to the waterfall now. Exciting! It looks so beautiful. Huh? Going all the way up there.
It only takes 10 minutes to get up there.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Okay.
In your path?
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and climb up there. Okay, I thought that was. Bye bye! So we have about 20 minutes to get to the top. before our tour bus has to leave. I know. Ah, está caliente, me dio calor, ahorita corriendo. Ya se fueron todos muchachos, ¿verdad?
Ya, acá más adelante.
Haciendo pierna. There they are.
Selfie or
Either way.
There they come, there they come.
wind them up, huh?
Vámonos, vámonos, vámonos. Okay, we made it. Wow. Yes. How beautiful is
I think
it?
I'll let you take one though.
Okay. Take some pictures of Jackie and then head back down. We're getting to the next destination. Hello. Hello. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. So beautiful here, huh, Gali?
Vas a tomar foto, mijo. Enséñale lo que te he hecho.
So beautiful.
Veo que se ve esa parte de arriba como a Hawái.
Sí. So happy. And then this is the other side.
Pero son los tren pasajeros, se ve que tienen
No, es cargador. Uno de trabajo y uno de carga.
Y también hay
Carlos, you're so annoying.
carga de aquí.
Peppy.
Al lado del
Marcos, no, Marco, don't do that. On the bus we go.
You guys are horrible.
Okay, we are at the last stop. It's the last stop, right? I think it's the last stop of our tour. And I'm not sure what it is. I think they're like smaller waterfalls. And then obviously just like the forest. There you go, Jackie. That's the story. So this is where we're at. Guy W. Talbot State Park. I can hear the cascadas. Guys, this is so steep. Hi, holding on back there.
Que más me lo digamos.
Vamos there.
Por lo menos para bajar va a estar fácil, ¿verdad?
Oh my goodness. Look, my thighs are on fire.
No va a ser un 15 de botón.
We made it.
Ah, esto es pura piedra, mira.
Oh wow. Oh my god. My thighs are on fire. That's how out of shape I am.
Aquí es pura.
Look how gorgeous this is. So we are eating right now at a restaurant called, what's it called? Los Gorditos, I think. And Jackie and I got shrimp burritos. We're tired. So Jackie and I got shrimp burritos. It has basically shrimp, sour cream, fajita veggies. It's hot. I want to try it. Okay, it's really hot. And now we're at the second part of the tour. We got these cute little stickers. Can you show it to me? What? Yes, Carlos, it is so unique. Oh, that's them. That's hey, but of course, our family is late to everything. We're waiting on the other half of the people to show up. We can't leave without them, like always. They're coming though. I see them.
Yeah, first day.
Youth one day.
Oye, ¿sabes?
Alright, we're ready now. Thank you so much.
Relax. It's your day.
Oh, you did good thing.
Okay. Don't worry about it.
Oh my God. Se pasaron una cuadra.
We've got one more hotel to the
There's Mount St. Helens. Focusing right there, you can see barely see it right
little jets. It erupted May 18th of 1980. It threw ash 80,000 feet into the air. Something like 24, 25 square miles of land that was moved because this was called King's Highway. But before that,
Just kidding.
we got Trident coming.
So we're getting to the Rose Garden. I wasn't able to vlog the whole ride up here, but it was so beautiful. So we just wanted to like take the moment to like enjoy it. But it's so beautiful coming up here. It's a super big park, lots of trees, lots of greenery, lots of flowers. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, we are heading to Seattle now, which is going to be like up. The Seattle vlog is going to be up a week after this one's up. So make sure you guys go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!